Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are exploring QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, and we are now here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and detailed analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.46. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 2.62%. This results in an average return of 0.37% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently following a broad and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend are anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately negative 0.323% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 8.80% to positive 5.41%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 33.58% over the upcoming 12 months, with a potential return between 23.92% and 46.02%. This indicates a price range of approximately $588.41 to $693.39 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ presents the headline, Evaluation of QQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 1.59% on the last trading day, specifically Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, dropping from $482.50 to $474.85. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.47%, ranging from a low of $473.81 to a high of $485.52. Notably, the price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 5.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume surged on the last day, with an increase of 12 million shares traded, although this occurred amid declining prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 37 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $17.63 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price stands 5.69%, or $28.67, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust, often referred to as QQQ, highlight a positive outlook, particularly as macroeconomic data increasingly suggests a potential soft landing for the economy. This scenario could stabilize investor sentiment and improve risk premiums, likely driving demand for QQQ and related technology assets. A significant power inflow signal has indicated recent interest in QQQ, evidenced by a strong price movement, with shares rising by 1.27%. Such inflow patterns often suggest heightened investor confidence, which can lead to short-term price gains. Additionally, QQQ's performance is compared to that of the ARK Innovation ETF, which has underperformed relative to QQQ, drawing attention to how leading technology and artificial intelligence stocks within QQQ have consistently attracted investor interest. As technology and artificial intelligence remain at the forefront of market dynamics, continued favorable performance in these sectors may enhance QQQ's long-term growth trajectory. Moreover, market discussions on the anticipated rebound of the semiconductor sector could benefit QQQ, given its exposure to leading semiconductor stocks. As these companies recover, QQQ may see improved performance as they contribute positively to its returns. Overall, both near-term and long-term prospects for QQQ appear robust, driven by positive market signals and a favorable economic outlook, positioning it as a compelling choice for investors focused on growth in technology sectors. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF is currently showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average while simultaneously signaling a buy from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $475.87. Should it experience a decline, support can be expected from the long-term average around $471.76. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a drop below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, and since then, the ETF has decreased by 1.59%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, serving as an early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the ETF is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot suggested a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 3 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 189 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. Should this be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated $11.71 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.47%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 1.42%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low price-to-earnings ratio may indicate that the market has low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, The first resistance level for QQQ is at 479.49. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 448.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $460.77, indicating a decrease of 2.97%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. Notably, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good purchase? QQ presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find them sufficient to categorize it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold their positions or accumulate more while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation of this ETF since our last assessment from a buy to a hold or accumulate status. After examining the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of August, we anticipate that QQQ will open with an increase of $3.21, starting at a price of $478.06. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.